NICO Robin near me flower fruit where obviously have something to do with flowers though.
Right.
Wrong. When me ask her to put me in a one headlock.
Nigga, what?
She say she there go, me name, ref. She gang me and beat me up by herself.
By herself?
You deaf? She cross her hand them. No curry shape like one spiral. When me see she make my body start growing, yaya and he is a same place me shit up myself. When you in her vicinity, make sure say you watch your mouth cause she can box down your clot from any angle.
She ain't all that.
What?
Hey, what you... Ow!
She did have 74 million berries on her head at 8 years old. You're pussy. And then she grow wings and fly away, bro.
That's cat.
That broke me neck on the green tree for life. Them tell me say only hands she have. They don't know could elaborate junk crop.
Sir, sit your ass down. Thank you.
They think you take boy or girl for just a pop off hands like Legos. Oh, so our whole body just have one DLC expansion pack now. Where the ass me and do ya? The amount of limbs when me did a grow, it come like say me did near me devil fruit.